Odogwu manager don't get this one to say. He say life don't tire us small because of one or two things. He like say that they see another way around. Make go learn one or two things. Make go learn work. Now you give her updates now. Say see what you want come learn now. Because with the little interview when they ask her now, say content in the creating they see. But now you want to go stand on the own. Want to learn work. How what you see? Are you people in support of waiting the talk now? It's just a crack joke or waiting for see there. No. I just want to comment on this. Ask for waiting Odogwu manager the reason at this time. No.
Number one, what they do here?
My brother life don't tire me. I don't do content creation. I not filmmaker. I learned mechanic before now. I not filmmaker. I don't come open welding shop. I want to learn how to weld now. You don't get as you do. Life don't come video. As you don't see, so you don't finish. Life don't tire me.
The government don't share rice now.
My brother, that rice I not follow get person collect them. That's why I see as they carry rice they pass me for road. Who I won't go collect, I don't know. My family, I don't know why in our family they share them. I don't follow see rice.
But me, I been see you for protest now.
Me? I want to go protest now. Where them they protest? My brother see me see no be here I dey look for iron now to carry well. Whether person go come give me small thing, well carry go my house now. You know as the country there now.
Number one.
I beg I don't see rice, so make you no go talk say I collect rice. I don't collect.
I said you carry rice that day now.
No be me, I don't see rice, so who give am? I don't see rice, so I beg I beg. You see as I did, I don't want wahala. Carry on a government rice, go that side. Here now welding work we dey do for you. I beg Life don't tire me.
So the best thing for you to open a welding shop.
A welding shop will be like na welders not the top. So I make a keep top.
On your own, you don't even wear clothes for body.
Tiring like this. You don't see now money to chef, you know the gray hair, you don't come power, you know, you don't finish. So as you don't see, you don't finish.
You know get power, you come do welding shop.
How you want make I do now? At least I will get boy now. Where will they help me carry iron now? See as life there now. Now here life come put me.
Number one.
You don't finish for me. Make me make I go to work my work.